What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, what we're going to do is clean up the calipers and the caliper brackets, and we're going to paint them the same color as the car. So I have a nice little spray paint kit that comes with a primer and clear coat as well. So we're going to paint them the same color as the car, and then we'll let it dry and everything, so that way we'll have a nice finish poking through on the new wheel. So these are going to be the new front calipers. Of course, if you look, they do say Cadillac, but we'll take care of that once we do some filing and everything. I think I'm just going to take a wire with me, just plug it in, so it's up a little bit. The primer should stick to this, usually as is, but I'll just take a wire with it, kind of go over it, and just kind of rough the surface. I don't think I'll have to get it like a lot of sanding, but I may take like a light sand, rid it up just to roughen the surface a little bit to give it something to bond to. But so these are the fronts. We're going brembos, and so if you want to see how I'm going to get these brembos on the Cadillac ATS 2018 ATS. If you want to see how I get these onto this Mustang, then obviously stay tuned, check it out, subscribe and everything, and we'll have a video on that shortly. But today, the focus is really just cleaning them up, painting everything. So just so if you're looking through when they're poking through there, so we're getting wheels, so new wheels you'll be able to see the color for sure. So when they're poking through, we're going to want to have a nice color. It looks good. It'd be crazy to have it fly, and then the back is like crap. Alright, so I tried to give you guys some good shots of like the cleaning and stuff, but really it's just taking a wire brush and just sanding down all the dirt and grime off of it. And then I sprayed it down with some brake clean and some, then just wiped it down. So this is the result. I think this is much cleaner, and if you saw the before and after shots, you'll see it looks a lot cleaner. Still a little wet, that's what that sheen is, but that'll dry. So now I think it's in a good point, these calipers, where I can actually get the primer on there and get that to adhere and then paint them. And so there's the other one also wet. And so the brackets, not sure if I have to paint those, but I probably will just in case. I'd hate to put them in the car and then see they're poking through and then have to go take them back off. So I'll probably paint them just in case so they can't be seen. And obviously the new brembos, I don't really have to do much prep for those, but yeah, so that's where we are. Before painting, of course, I'm going to have to cover up these holes right here, so I probably will just put a bolt back in them just to make sure no paint gets inside the caliper or anything weird like that. But next step is paint. So this is my little ghetto paint station here. So I'm just going to hang them from these bungees here, and then I'll spray them. I just have it hanging because it'll be able to get pretty much every angle of the caliper all at once and not have to worry about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape these up a little bit, like I said, with sandpaper, and then also, of course, remove the sticker. But then we'll be able to paint those. They're going to be the same color as the car. If you see this is the 3.8 we pulled from the car. I just have it ready to go because I'm going to give it to someone. And so I just have it unpacked already. So let's get the paint that we're going to use. All right, so here's the paint we're going to use. It comes with a primer coat, a color coat that actually has, if you see K7, the actual bright Atlantic blue, so it's matched to the paint code, and then a clear coat. I have 2 sets of these, 2 different brands. They both seem to work good. I'm not going to shout any brands out, no free advertising, so if you want me to shout your brand out, go ahead and hit me up and send me some for free. Otherwise, I'm just going to tell people it exists on eBay. Whichever one you find is probably good enough. So that's that. So first thing, obviously, we're going to run a primer over the calipers, and we let that dry for whatever the time is here. I think it's only like 10 or 15 minutes. Once we do that, we'll run a paint coat, maybe 2, and then we'll run a coat of clear or 2, depending on what the finish looks like after 1. So I'll take you guys through that step by step. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's a look before our first set of clear. It honestly looks pretty good. It has like a, I don't want to say matte, but a flat metallic look, and it does have like little sparkles and stuff, just like this paint. But we're going to put a coat of clear on there, but before we do, I'll just show you. Alright guys, what's up? So I ran another coat of clear coat on the brakes, so I'll show you the finished product. Maybe an extra coat and a half, so maybe 2 to 2.5 coats of the clear, just to get the finish I wanted. So I kind of wanted to be a little shine to it, a little wet look, but this is the end result. So of course they're drying right now. Once they get done drying, I will actually put brembo stickers on here, just because these are brembos, and obviously this used to say Cadillac brembo, and we painted over that, scuffed it off and painted over it. So I'm gonna put actual brembo calipers, the brembo stickers on there. Nothing mustang or anything, just regular brembo stickers. But you kind of get a picture for how the color matches with the car and this angle. So looks pretty good. These are still drying, so I don't want